guys, welcome to another edition of Bob's Odd Jobs. Today I'm working on the bike that I've decided to give to my daughter. It was my son's bike, and I bought these universal training wheels, and she was riding along on the sidewalk when suddenly she just went flying off the sidewalk. She was okay, she hit the grass, but you can see the wheel just lifted right up off the ground. They're just a universal kit from Canadian Tire. They're literally two pieces of metal and a bolt. And you can see this hook here hooks right onto the frame of the bike. There's a couple scraped marks of where it disconnected, and or when it's scraped along the frame. And you can see it's just they're not hooked on very well. And even though it's bolted onto the axle, it just slides right off of the frame. So, you've got a simple job here. Don't return this thing. Fix it. It's easy. You just have to see how it's hooked on. See how those two little hooks there? You're just going to take your pliers and you're going to bend these two hooks. Just a little bit. Little bend. You don't want to overstress the metal and break this thing. Just going to bend each one a little bit. Let's get the other one here. And now I can take this piece, and here I'll show you. There's the little more hooked. Now I take this piece, put it back on the axle, and now it's hooked on really well. That would stop the training wheel from lifting up off the ground. You can see now, here it is. Both are hooked on. It's on tight. That thing's not going to move. I redid both sides. Bent this side. Yeah, it's not moving. And that's another job well done. It seems like a simple job, but why not fix things rather than send them back or throw them out? Love it. So thanks for watching another edition of Bob's Odd Jobs. If you want to learn more about things to do, just subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video. Take care. Farewell.